Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best high temp silicone is probably one of the most unsung heroes in the world of DIY and professional applications. From sealing engines to crafting, this amazing material offers unparalleled heat resistance and flexibility. But what exactly makes it so special? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of high-temperature silicone, exploring its incredible properties and showcasing why it's a must-have for your toolkit. Number 5. JB Weld 31314 High Temp Red Silicone Sealant. This is a RTV silicone gasketing material. It's designed for use in mechanical assemblies where high temperatures might exist. It can handle continuous temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit or even 650 degrees Fahrenheit intermittently. For more than 40 years, people have trusted this product. They take pride in their work, and this product helps them achieve that. It provides a strong bond for all your projects. It cures when exposed to air's moisture, forming a tough, waterproof seal. The product will not shrink or crack, and it resists weathering. It is also sensor safe. This is ideal for various applications. You can use it on automotive parts, metal components, and even oven doors. It's a dependable solution for many needs. Whether big or small, you can DIY with this product. It helps repair and restore things correctly the first time. It delivers the legendary performance of the world's strongest bond. What we like. This silicone is designed for high-temperature environments, making it perfect for automotive and mechanical applications. It's sensor safe, so you don't have to worry about damaging sensitive components. If you're working on a project that demands a reliable, high-temperature seal, you should consider this product. What people say. It handles high temperatures effortlessly, making it perfect for sealing gaps and joints in heat-prone areas like ovens, fireplaces, and engines. The application is smooth and easy, and the sealant cures to form a durable, flexible, and waterproof seal. Perfect for my smoker grill project. High heat has held up well. Number 4. LavaLock RTV 650F Barbecue Grill Smoker Sealer. Introducing the LavaLock RTV 650F, a high-temperature sealant. This 3.0-ounce tube can withstand temperatures up to 650 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for your grilling needs. This product is safe for food contact, making it ideal for your barbecue. It's a reliable sealant for your wood stove or grill, ensuring safety and peace of mind. The LavaLock RTV 650F provides excellent bonding capabilities. It's a silicone sealant designed for creating or adhering gaskets, ensuring a tight seal. This versatile sealant is perfect for various applications. Use it on your barbecue, kitchen appliances, or wood stove vent pipes, smokestacks, and doors. It's easy to apply, self-curing, and long-lasting. This sealant is also watertight and impervious to all weather conditions, providing lasting protection. What we like. This silicone is specifically designed to be food contact safe, making it ideal for barbecue grills and smokers. It offers excellent bonding for sealing and creating gaskets. If you're a barbecue enthusiast looking to seal your grill or smoker, this is the product for you. What people say. I used this to seal the gap between my wood stove and the chimney pipe. It has held up perfectly. This stuff works great. Number 3. Realth Silicone Gasket Maker Black 3.53 ounces. This silicone gasket maker works on various materials, including metal, glass, and wood. It creates a strong seal, even if the surface has minor oil contamination. After 24 hours, it sets completely and can be disassembled. It's perfect for automotive and motorbike applications. You can use it on oil pans, exhaust manifolds, water pumps, and more. It's also suitable for machine equipment and household items. This RTV silicone gasket maker is more oil-resistant and flexible than traditional gaskets. It withstands temperatures from -60 degrees Celsius to 280 degrees Celsius. The product is designed to handle regular wear and tear. Clean the surface, apply the sealant, and place it where needed. The product forms a waterproof seal when exposed to air moisture. It won't shrink, drip, or crack, and it resists all weather conditions. Search for Realth on Amazon for other products. They include instant adhesive, mounting tape, and thread locker. These products are designed based on actual needs and made under ISO 9001 quality systems. What we like. This silicone gasket maker is more oil resistant than conventional silicone. It is suitable for a wide range of applications, including automotive and machine equipment. If you are looking for a reliable sealant that can withstand extreme temperatures and resist oil, you should consider this one. What people say. High temperature silicone is a great product. It works exactly as described and is easy to use. The silicone is very flexible and durable. Number 2. Permatex Ultra Black Maximum Oil Resistance Gasket Maker. This gasket maker is sensor safe with a non-corrosive formula. It's designed for superior adhesion to oily surfaces, ensuring long-term durability. You can trust it to get the job done right. It provides excellent resistance to powertrain fluids like engine oil and transmission fluid. This helps to create a strong and long-lasting seal, keeping everything secure. The product ensures your application stays locked in place. This product retains high flexibility and oil-resistant properties. It can be used to replace pre-cut gaskets or as a gasket maker or sealant. It's a versatile solution for various applications. Ultra Black resists aging, weathering, and thermal cycling without hardening or cracking. It maintains its integrity even under extreme conditions. It has a temperature range of -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for valve covers, oil pans, and transmission pans. It's also great for intake manifold end seals, timing gear covers, and differential covers. It is the perfect choice for your needs. What we like. This silicone offers maximum oil resistance, making it perfect for applications involving powertrain fluids. It's also sensor safe and retains high flexibility. If you're working on automotive repairs and need a gasket maker that can withstand oil and maintain flexibility, you should choose this one. What people say. It stands out as the best valve cover gasket maker I've used, delivering on its promise of durability and high water resistance. One of the standout features of the Permatex 82180 is its incredible oil resistance. Its high flexibility ensures that the seal remains intact even under extreme vibrations and movements. Number 1. Permatex 81160 High Temp Red RTV Silicone Gasket. This is formulated for high-temperature applications and heavy-duty use. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions, ensuring optimal performance. It can replace almost any cut gasket. You can also use it to coat pre-cut gaskets, which will increase their reliability. This product makes reliable, formed-in-place gaskets. The gaskets resist cracking, shrinking, and migrating, providing a secure seal. It has a wide temperature range, from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 650 degrees Fahrenheit intermittently. This makes it suitable for a variety of applications. This product comes in a convenient 3-ounce size. It's easy to apply and provides a durable seal. What we like. This silicone is formulated for high-temperature applications and can replace almost any cut gasket. It creates reliable gaskets that resist cracking, shrinking, and migrating. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable gasket maker for high-temperature environments, you should consider it. What people say. High-temperature silicone is a great product. It works perfectly for sealing and bonding in high-temperature environments. The silicone is easy to apply and cures quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.